Alright, what's going on, guys? Crypto Mac here, bringing you another crypto video. Today, we're going to take a look at Casper or CasperLabs. I hope you guys enjoy these videos on Casper. I love talking about it. I'm pretty bullish on this project, as you can probably tell. So just going to do a quick update video on this coin. Just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. So looking at it, where we left off yesterday was we talked about this handle that was forming on this covenant handle right here. The handle was in formation, we broke out, we held the line of support, and then we broke through. So we broke through, we broke down, which we said was a possibility, obviously, and mostly we can say that happened because Bitcoin decided to take a bit of a turn yesterday and went down to 48,000 today, sorry. So we've head back down and we're back in this channel, which is like fine, it happens. It's just a fake out, it's not an overly big deal, but I'm still pretty bullish. I think that's fine, like that happens, we'll calm down. And as I said, we might have to even like test like this line here. We might even test this line here with for support. So as we can see, this was our line for our big symmetrical triangle. We held this as this was actually resistance for quite a while, and then we ended up getting some support levels right here. So I might leave this line right there and see if we come down and get some support around that 12-cent level, and then could head higher and complete that handle, which is completely fine, because I mean, to form a cup and handle, you do need like a solid handle. It can't be like a 3-day 5% correction, then head up and all of a sudden head towards our target of 38 cents, right? You need to form like a proper handle, which we've done, get a significant correction coming off this big rising price, which we've also done. You can see right here, you know, to where right now it's 40%. And moments ago, we're 42% below this high up here, this local top. And so it definitely makes sense to come down and hit this level. And is healthy for Casper as a coin, and shows it's not overpriced. So now we can come down to this correction, and then we can, I mean, as I said, we could come down even further and then head higher and, you know, test this line. That's our like ultimate goal. But the main thing I want to talk about today is like the RSI. So you can see right here, I've talked about the RSI quite a bit on my channel lately, and I brought it up for Casper to show like the 4-hourly RSI. The 4-hourly, and remember, like Casper's been performing quite well recently, and so you would think the strength is quite high, but the RSI has just ticked below 30, which it has not hit since this point right here, right? Which was after a 70% drop in price from our local top there. So like we had a massive decline in price, then we had a huge parabolic move, and then a slow decline in price, which was 70% down, nearly 70%. And this is where we found ourselves. And the RSI went as low as into the 20s, low 20s, right? And that was the first time we saw the price, the last time, sorry, that we saw the price, the RSI go to this range. And coming off this, but what happened was a decent move up. We had this little 100% move in 12 days, which is, you know, significant. It looks small, but 100% in 12 days is no joke. And then, I mean, beyond that, to the top up here was 230% move over 2 months. Like, I would love a 230% move over 2 months. I'll definitely take that from where we're at. 230 is right there. Takes us to 46 cents. Like, I'll happily take that. That's perfect. That'd be awesome. Over 2 months, that would send us into like February. No issue with that. So it just shows that like on the RSI, we're actually quite low, and this could indicate a move coming on its way. And like we might go lower, as we saw here. We went to the low 20s, and so it's likely, or at least somewhat possible, that Casper goes a bit lower, tests this line here as support, and then we go up. We break out, we go up. Casper would have seen, if that's the case, Casper sees a nearly 50% correction, because let's say maybe Bitcoin heads to 47,000 or 46,000, which means Casper goes to that price, and then we go up, and Bitcoin might start to rally again back to 50k, 55, 60k, whatever it is, and then Casper decides to do the same, and a lot of the market decides to head back up, and things start becoming a lot more green again, and then we form this cup and handle, which I've been talking about for quite a while now. There's your cup. Here's our handle forming. Like that, that's what we want. Our handle is forming. We just gotta hope we don't like wiggle out to the side and do nothing, or just continue heading downwards, because then we can invalidate this handle and no longer talk about this pattern. So I think things are looking pretty good for Casper. I'm still bullish on this project. I think, you know, we had a fake out, but that's fine. Like, that happens. So hopefully we can head back up, break out, and we'll probably test a line of support as we did here. So we broke out, test a line. We didn't actually hold a support, but then when we came out again, tested it. We had one green candle. That was when we recorded our last video, and then basically after that video, Bitcoin went down, and we went back into the channel. So not ideal, but just fine. Like, I do believe like time is on our side, and as long as we don't head too low and we don't break through this line, if we break through this line here as support, then obviously it'd be pretty bad. And if Bitcoin heads to as low as like 40k, which I don't think is going to happen, but if that does happen, then obviously we might be in some trouble. But I think things are looking pretty solid for Casper, especially given the rest of the market is looking pretty ugly. There's a lot of coins that aren't looking too good. Like if I look at Cardano, $1.30, like it just doesn't look that good. But yeah, I might leave the video there. Let me know what you think of Casper. Please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy these like daily updates on Casper. I love talking about it, just doing like a daily video, whether it be like 5 minutes or whatever it is, just to give a quick update, because every day is different, right? Like every day actually is different, even though the end goal or the main goal right now is talking about this cup and handle, but it's always different because we get a breakout and then we come back in, and then, you know, Bitcoin has a move up or a move down. There's just so much to talk about. That's why I like doing like daily videos, and I think a nice short daily videos is required. So yeah, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'd appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you later. Enjoy.